Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video on our behavior channel, and in this grand video we are going to understand about workspaces. So this is the workspace feature which has been added into Flexsim 2024, which is a new feature added, and we are going to learn about how to use workspaces, what is workspaces, and what are the advantages of it, and how can it help us save our time, or what are its advantages and disadvantages. So workspaces is the newest feature being added in Flexsim 2024. If you are new on our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video and share it with your friends, because that really motivates us to bring such interesting content related to education in domain of manufacturing simulation and industrial engineering. We also have a website behaviorchannel.com customized just for you and to make your reach out to us easier and beneficial. So we have lot of premium stuffs. We have blogs for you and a lot of interesting stuffs on our website behaviorchannel.com. Do not forget to visit behaviorchannel.com daily, because we are bringing in interesting stuffs on that daily. And show us a support by liking, sharing our videos. It really motivates us. So can you just comment in a section and let me know this model was from which video? So we have created till now multiple videos, and those videos are already available on our YouTube channel as well as on our behaviorchannel.com. So just comment and let me know this model, this Flexsim model and the graphs are from which video. Are those from statistics collectors video? Are those from calculator tables video? Just let me know in the comment section. If you have any queries related to it, or if you have any questions related to today's video, you can just post it into the YouTube comment section. So now let us understand what are workspaces. So I have already created 4 workspaces in my Flexsim simulation model. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you what is my workspace 1, what is my workspace 2, what is my workspace 3, and what is my workspace 4. So the moment if I'm going to click on this, okay, workspace 1, you are going to see my workspace 1. Okay, now if you're going to click on the workspace 2, you're going to see my workspace 2. What are you able to see in the workspace 2? We have an additional calculated table milestone collector graph at the side of this on the properties window. When I'm going to create, or when I'm going to click on the workspace 3, what are you able to see? The modeling view was changed. We have the part serviced at the processor 2, as this is the table from the statistics collector which is coming in below here. And then when you click on the workspace 4, you're going to have a view of a complete beautiful model background. So there is nothing in this view. If you could look at it, it's all crystal clear, only the model you are able to view. So how is this miracle happening? This is happening just because of the workspaces. So the workspace, the name itself implies that it is a feature in the Flexsim which is going to help us work in different workspaces. Okay, a single simulation model file, we can work on multiple workspaces. This is going to help us in the stage of modeling. Okay, because what happens, you might be knowing that whenever you need to show the simulation model, you need to close everything and then you need to show this. Now again, when you need to start working on the simulation model, you need to go in views, you need to click this drag and drop library, so that will come here. You need to click on the properties, then this properties will come here. It is a very tricky and time consuming process to come in the model visualization form and then again go back into model editing or modeling phase. Okay, so this is where this workspace helps us to switch between modeling phases and between presentation phases. So it is really great. And not only this, if you see, it is the workspaces you can visualize when the model is working. It is not like when you recess the model, that time only you are going to see the workspaces, but when the model is in a running phase, that time itself you can switch between the workspaces. So this is a great feature, okay, added on to this workspaces. Okay, whenever a simulation model is running, you can clearly switch between your workspaces. Fantastic feature. I really like that. If you like this feature of Flexsim, hit a like to our video and share it with your friends. Okay, so initially when I explored this workspaces, what I thought is that this is going to be used for multiple modeling. Okay, what I thought is workspaces means say I have 4 members in my team, okay, and my first member is going to work on workspace 1, next is going to work on workspace 2, third is going to work on workspace 3, and so on. And my changes in the simulation model would be getting replicated across all team members. That is what I thought being a workspaces, and I really think that if that could have been a workspace thing in a Flexsim simulation, it would have been a lot better. It would have been a great achievement in the simulation domain of Flexsim, because the current challenge which we face is a single programmer or single simulator which is going to work on the simulation model cannot basically, so we cannot share it with our colleagues and ask them to help us. Parallelly, the model building is going on. This is really challenging still today in Flexsim. So I thought that might help us to basically do parallel modeling, but the workspace is something different. Okay, so the workspace is not used for parallel modeling, but it is used for that same or single simulation modeler to make his workload and it switches between presentation and modeling easier. So that's not a like, we cannot say that the workspace is not that advantageous, but yes, if a single modeler, for a single modeler, this is advantageous. But what I would recommend is if we had a parallel modeling feature just like workspaces in the Flexsim, where I can just switch in 3 and check what my team member third has done. Just switches to workspace 1, and what I'll check is what is my team member 1 working on. Okay, and luckily all these changes are applied to that single model, and I am having a complete set of model being created by 4 simulation modelers. That would have been a great achievement, but I hope that would be coming in upcoming years into the Flexsim simulation. But the workspaces, I guess you might have understood what is workspace. It is just used to switch between your working model pages, or you can say working backgrounds. So now what we are going to do is we are going to learn how to add workspaces. And again, this is a very simple thing. It's not a big deal to do. Anybody can learn, anybody can use it. So what do you need to do? You just say, I want, just try what type of workspace you want to have. So say my modeling view, I want it this way. I don't want dashboards, okay? I only want model, and I only want this compiler or system console. Let's say I don't want this also. I'm removing this, okay? I only want is the model, okay? And I only want is the, what we say, properties, libraries, toolbox. This much only is what I wanted. So what I will do is now I will go into workspaces. I will save current workspace. You can rename the workspace whatever you want here, okay? And then you can hit OK. Now if you could look, my workspace 4 is this way, and my workspace 5 is this way. So it is that simple to add a workspace into your simulation environment. Now if I want to open a default workspace, this is what it would be. So basically it would be a default thing, or it would be a, basically it would be actual Flexsim environment where you will be modeling. But you can save the current workspace. As I told you just need to change this stuff. Go in this, save current workspace, hit OK, and that would get saved. Okay, so this is all about workspace. So just look at this. It is very easy for you to just switch between the workspaces, work on the simulation model faster, efficiently, and without making a hectic of adding the tabs or deleting the tabs. You will already have those tabs being created in the workspaces. Just switch between the workspaces, go into the presentation mode, go into the modeling mode, and the stuffs are done. So this is all for today. This is all about workspaces. Let us know if you want to know something in detail. Let us know that in the comment section. You can also reach us out from our website beaverchannel.com. Let us know how was this video to you in the comment section. If you liked it, please comment like. If you don't like it, put a dislike, whatever you want. But please do comment, please do like, please do share our videos, because it's really motivating us to bring new contents just for you. Let us meet in another interesting video with new topics in Flexsim simulation modeling. Till then, stay safe, stay simulating.